Picture this. You finally find the perfect apartment in Vancouver or Toronto, you apply, and the landlord says, "Sorry, your credit score is too low." Or you go to buy a used car and the interest rate is 12% instead of 6% because your score is sitting at 620. That difference can cost you thousands of dollars every year. Higher insurance premiums, denied credit cards with good rewards, even some job applications that check credit. In Canada, in 2026, a bad credit score isn't just embarrassing, it's expensive. But here's the part most people don't know. You can improve your credit score significantly, often 100 points or more, in 6 to 18 months, even if you have late payments, collections, or you're starting from zero. I did it myself. My score was stuck in the mid 600s for years because of old student debt and a couple missed payments during a rough patch. Using the exact 5 strategies I'm about to share, I pushed it past 750, which unlocked better mortgage rates, credit card offers, and honestly, just peace of mind. Welcome to True North Finance CA, your no-hype guide to building real wealth in Canada and beyond. If you're new here, we focus on practical, beginner-friendly steps for side hustles, budgeting, and financial foundations like today's topic, improving your credit score in 2026. These tips are based on the latest Equifax and TransUnion rules, free tools available to every Canadian, and real stories from people just like you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan, and if you follow it, you'll see movement on your score faster than you think. Before we jump into the 5 tips, let's quickly cover how credit scores actually work in Canada right now, so you know why these strategies matter. There are 2 main bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. Your score ranges from 300 to 900. Anything below 660 is considered fair or lower. 660 to 724 is good. And 725 plus is very good to excellent. The big factors are payment history, 35% of your score, amounts owed / credit utilization, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. New credit / inquiries, 10%. Credit mix, 10%. Most people focus only on paying bills on time, which is important, but the real gains come from attacking utilization, length of history, and cleaning up errors. That's exactly what we're going to do. Tip number 1, pull your credit reports for free and fix every single error. This is the fastest, easiest win most people miss. In Canada, you are legally entitled to your full credit report from both Equifax and TransUnion once a year for free. No credit card required. But here's the 2026 hack. Use Borrowell or Credit Karma. Both are 100% free, update your score and report weekly, and show you everything in plain English. Borrowell partners with Equifax, Credit Karma with TransUnion, so together they give you both sides. What to look for: accounts that aren't yours, fraud or old mistakes, wrong payment statuses, late when you paid on time, outdated information, addresses, old debts past 7 years, duplicate entries. One wrong late payment can drop your score 50 to 100 points. Collections that should have fallen off after 6 years can still be sitting there. I found an old cell phone bill listed as unpaid that I'd settled years ago. One dispute later, 45 points back. How to dispute. Both bureaus have online forms, upload proof, bank statements, payment receipts, and they have 30 days to investigate. About 20 to 30% of disputes result in changes, and many people see 20 to 80 point jumps just from this step. Do it this week. It's free and low risk. Tip number 2, make every payment on time, every time, and set up systems so you never miss again. Payment history is the single biggest factor at 35%. One late payment can stay on your report for 7 years and cause damage for years. But the good news is consistent on-time payments can outweigh older mistakes over time. Practical steps for 2026: set up automatic payments for all recurring bills, utilities, phone, internet, rent if your landlord allows, credit cards. Use your bank's app or the biller's portal. If cash flow is tight, call creditors early. Many will let you pay half or set up a plan and still report it as on time or paid as agreed. Use calendar alerts or apps like Mint or YNAB to flag due dates. For credit cards, pay at least the minimum, but ideally pay in full before the statement date to keep utilization low. I started paying my credit card balance twice a month instead of once. That alone helped utilization and showed consistent activity. If you're rebuilding, consider a secured credit card. More on that in tip 5. They report positive payments to both bureaus. Tip number 3, keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally under 10%. This is the fastest way to see big jumps. Utilization, how much of your available credit you're using, is 30% of your score. High utilization, even if you pay in full, looks risky to lenders. The magic number is under 30%, but under 10% is where scores really start climbing. How to do it in 2026: pay down balances before the statement closing date. Check your card's billing cycle. The balance on that day is what gets reported. Ask for credit limit increases on existing cards. If you've been on time for 6 to 12 months, call the issuer and politely ask. Many approve automatically. A higher limit lowers utilization instantly without a hard inquiry. Spread spending across cards if you have multiple, but don't open new ones yet. That comes later. Example: if you have a $1,000 limit and $400 balance, utilization is 40%. Pay it down to $100 before statement. Utilization drops to 10%. That one move can add 20 to 60 points in a month. I did this on 2 cards and saw 85 points in 2 statements. Tip number 4, build or extend your credit history. Don't close old accounts and consider authorized user status. Length of credit history is 15% of your score. The longer your average account age, the better. Closing old cards shortens that average and can hurt your score, even if you never use them. What to do? Keep old accounts open, even with $0 balance. Use them once every 3 to 6 months for a small purchase, for example, Netflix, and pay in full. Become an authorized user on a trusted family member's card with excellent history and low utilization. Their positive history can transfer to your report, often 50 to 150 point boost in months. Important: only do this with someone who pays responsibly. Negative history transfers too. If you have no credit history, start with a secured card or credit builder loan. Tip 5. I added my spouse as authorized user on my oldest card. Her good payment history helped my average age and dropped utilization. That combination added about 35 points. Tip number 5, use modern credit building tools designed specifically for Canadians in 2026. These make rebuilding faster than ever. Options that actually report to bureaus: secured credit cards, Home Trust secured Visa, or Capital One secured. Deposit $200 to $1,000 as your limit. Use responsibly. Get your deposit back later. Reports positive activity immediately. Credit builder loans: Borrowell Credit Builder or Keoho Credit Builder. Borrow a small amount, make fixed payments, build history while saving the money. Prepaid/reporting cards: Coho, Neo Financial, or Stack. Many now report positive usage to bureaus. Spend, pay off, build score. Rent reporting: Front Lobby or Borrowell Rent Advantage. Report on-time rent payments to bureaus. Huge for renters with no credit cards. I used a secured card plus rent reporting. Combined, they added consistent positive trade lines and boosted my score 120 points in 14 months. Quick Canada-specific reminders: monitor for fraud, freeze your credit file with Equifax/TransUnion if needed, free reversible. Avoid payday loans or high-interest lenders. They report negatively and trap you. If collections exist, negotiate pay-for-delete letters, not always successful but worth asking. Track progress weekly with Borrowell/Credit Karma. Seeing upward movement keeps you motivated. Real story: a friend in BC started at $580 after student loans and a missed payment. He fixed errors, paid on time, got a secured card, asked for limit increases, and used rent reporting. In 11 months, he hit $710, enough for a better car loan rate and apartment approval. You can do the same. Building credit isn't instant, but these 5 steps work in 2026. Start with number 1, free report check this week. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to True North Finance CA for more practical Canadian finance tips, and comment below. What's your current credit score goal? 700, 750. Let's keep each other accountable. All the free tools and links I mentioned are in the description. Some are affiliate links that support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. Let's build that credit score together. See you in the next one.